Looks like it's time for door hinges. So over time the door hinges get worn on these cars. You can usually tell because the door won't shut anymore like this. You gotta force it shut. One more way you can tell, roll the window down, and then if you grab this and go up and down, you can see. Yeah, obviously it's these door hinges that are worn. So I got these new door hinges from Battle Garage. These are a upgraded version, so these are stronger than what came on the car. When you get these, there's labels covering these. I'll just grab a heat gun and then take the labels off. And then these have a left and a right side. So left and right is different, and then the top and the bottom one's different. First thing you want to do, take your fenders off. There are 4 bolts holding on each of the door hinges. If your bolts are especially rusty, you should probably replace these. So yeah, I will leave the door closed, and then I will hand tight bolt on the new door hinges, and then we will come back. Alright, so the bottom door hinge is on. I'll typically line up the door side with where the hinge used to be, and you can see like the outline mark, and I'll tighten those two down, but I'll leave the body side hand tight. And you see like the adhesive they use, I'll usually just break this off just so there's a flat mounting surface for the new door hinge. Alright, and you want to use Loctite on those bolts also. Alright, we got both our new door hinges on. Again, the body side ones are just snug, and then the 2 or the 4 on the door side are tightened. So now we're ready to do our door adjustment. So you can see here, usually what happens when your door hinges sag is that this latch does not line up with the striker on the body side of the car. So what we're trying to do now is get this door to align so that it this thing engages and locks on the body side striker smoothly. So how do we do that? You're gonna need a towel. So ideally what we want to do, we want to fold over the towel a few times and put it on the door back here. And what you're basically trying to do is compensate for the weight of the door so that when the door closes, the striker's in the right place for the latch. So I'll typically do this a few times, like maybe take the towel back out, see how the door closes. I may need to unfold this or maybe fold this one more time to like raise or lower where the door position is. So yeah, let's try it out with just 4 folds in this towel. Alright, so I got those 4 bolts on the body side tightened up. Let's see how the door closes. Take my towel out. Oh, okay, that's pretty good. So this is okay. I think the door can actually be shimmed up like a little bit higher for the door to close a little more smoothly. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna fold this towel over one more time and then put it in the door, loosen those up, and then close the door and tighten it back up. Cool, so I folded over the towel one more time. The door's shut on the towel. We'll tighten these up on the body side, and then we'll try out the door again. Alright, I tried out the door already. I definitely like it where it's at. Couple of signs you can tell: when you pull the latch, the door should kind of like push itself open. And then same thing, just like a moderate amount of pressure and the door should close by itself. Yeah, and it's shut. This has been an install video for the beefy door hinges available at Battle Garage. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe. Check out our social channels in the description below. Product links for these guys are in the description below also. Thanks again, you guys.